Hello, in this video we will step you through the process of paying your infraction fee through Doxpop's fine payment site. First, if you haven't already located the payment website, you will want to direct your browser to payment.doxpop.com. This will bring you to the screen you see here. The first step is to click the Find Your Ticket tab located right here. Then you will want to enter the name of the person who received the ticket and then click Search. You will then be taken to a list of results where you can locate and confirm the ticket you need to pay. Then click the Pay Ticket link to the right. This will take you to the more detailed description of the ticket, where you can see the basic information here, and below the breakdown of the fines and fees associated with that ticket. Next, we'll click the Make Payment Now button, and this will take you to a screen where you can enter your payment information. Now, I'll go ahead and jump to a screen where I have already entered my information. Once you have all of your information entered, just click the Make Payment Now button, and you will be taken to a confirmation screen asking you to confirm the payment and agree to the terms of service. You can view those terms of service by clicking the link here. Once you check the box, the Submit Payment button will become available. Clicking this will charge your credit or debit card, and once processed, you'll be taken to a screen to see your Doxpop payment confirmation number. You can print this confirmation through the link located here. You will also be emailed 2 receipts. The first, for the total amount of the charged, will be emailed to you as soon as the payment is approved. And then within about 20 minutes, you should receive a second email that will have the clerk's receipt number on it, showing we've handed that payment off to the county clerk and that they have marked the ticket as paid. And that is all it takes to pay your ticket through Doxpop's fine payment site.